So Matt, what do you think about Microsoft Dynamics 365 and how it relates to both businesses big and small?
I think the current scalability of Dynamics 365 is more scalable than it's ever been before. I mean, we have clients here that have thousands, tens of thousands of users on an enterprise level where, they're using it for their entire business and automating everything. And we also have clients that are small businesses with less than 5 people that really just need a Rolodex on steroids with some more mild business automation. So the ability for Microsoft to roll out an application that can work from the smallest of small businesses to the biggest of enterprise level businesses, I don't know how you can be more scalable than that.
What do you think about what Microsoft has done with their transitioning from using workflows to Microsoft Flow?
Flow is great. I think the upgrade to Flow and the update to Flow is probably one of the best moves that Microsoft has made recently. Flow allows you to integrate with other applications that aren't necessarily made to integrate unless you are of like a lot of technical expertise. And it just makes it way easier for the common man, the person that understands the business, to be able to integrate those things that you just never had that ability to do before.